Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. It's time for you to register blended learning. So if your course is declared to be blended learning in your syllabus, therefore you have to register your course and your classes in UFuture, right? So there are two types of blended learning registration. So the first one is for the RP. So the RP has to register the course. And the second part is for the team teaching. So you have to register your classes. So make sure the RP, you need to register the course first in order for your team teaching to be able to register their classes. If you haven't registered your course, the team teaching won't be able to register their class, right? Now, I'm going to show you the first part, which is the RP blended learning registration. First thing first, log into UFuture. Now, regardless whether you are using UFuture for your class or you're using a different platform, you still have to go back to UFuture for the registrations, yeah? Alright, so once you are in, find your course. For example, I am the RP for CMA 493, right? And click View. So once you are in, you'll be directed to the course content, right? So what you need to do, at the side panel, click Course Summary, right? So once you're in the course summary, right, scroll down. You can see here, Blended Learning Substitute. Okay, so blended learning courses can be done once the selection of percentage is confirmed by the resource person. So first thing first, you need to click Open, right, at the blended learning substitute registration. Open. Find your semester. So this is going to be, this video is going to be 2025 too. Okay, and then look at the percentage. You have to select the percentage. For this part here, RP, you need to refer to your SLT. But for my course, the blended learning or the online percentage is 60%. So I'm going to select 60% here, and the rest will be automatically calculated. Now, to read this, if my course is 60% online, right, meaning that I have to provide 29 hours worth of material, 29 hours worth of activity, and 14 hours worth of assessment. Okay, so this semester I have to make sure that I comply with all the BL requirements. So once done, I click Save. Okay, done. So that is the RP's job, okay, to register the course. Next, I'm going to show you the team teaching registration. Okay, now head on to this. Okay, for the team teaching registration, what you need to do here is once you log into UFuture, go to the side panel, right? Head on to the side panel. Do not click your course yet, yeah? Go to the side panel, and then there's the online learning sections here. Click on it and click blended learning registration. Click it. Okay. So once you are in, you can see these are the classes, the course, the group, and the semester, and then whether it is registered or not. It's here, right? Now, since I'm teaching two subjects this semester, so I'll be registering for those two courses. Yep. So mine is going to be CMA 493 3A. So I'll just click at the action column. There's a register button here. Click on it, right? And then you can see this is the date register. So once you finish with your registration, okay, that's it. You have completed your BL registration. Now, however, if you don't wish of on using UFeature for your as the official platform, what you need to do, you just head on to the next step. So the one that I showed you earlier, this is focusing on those who are using UFeature for the lesson. So if you're using a different platform, for example, you're using Google Classroom or Microsoft Team, right? Just click on Others over here, just beside the UFeature tab, right? Click here, New Platform. Select your semester. So it's going to be this one here, right? Enter your course code. For example, I am registering this code here. Right. Enter the platform name. For example, I'm using Padlet as my main medium of teaching, right? And then I enter the platform URL. So let me go and find it. Okay, just copy here and paste it here. and safe, right? So remember, this registration is only applicable for those who are using a different platform, meaning that you're not using UFuture as your main platform for your teaching and learning. Right. So that's it. Once you've done this, you have completed your blended learning registration. Now, do remember the blended learning registration opens starting week 1 and will be closed on week 4 of the semester. All right. That's it. Bye.